शुरू करें. Hello student, today I am going to discuss your criteria of similarity. There are three criteria of similarity regarding a similar triangle. First criteria is angle, angle, side. Second criteria is side, 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 and second criteria side, 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 and third criteria is SAS. Okay. So now I am going to discuss you. Okay. It is the part 2 video of similar triangle by Rajan Kumar for class 10th. Now, what is given? It is the triangle ABC, one other triangle DF. One triangle ABC, another triangle DF. Okay. What I have to prove? What is given? Angle B equal to E, angle C equal to F, and angle A equal to D. Clear? So I will write there. Given. This is the angle, angle, angle criteria. So in triangle ABC and triangle DF, angle A equal to D, angle B equal to E, angle C equal to F. To prove that AB upon DE, BC upon EF, and AC upon DF. Okay, this is given. It is a triangle ABC, another triangle DF. इसके निकालो. It is a triangle ABC, another triangle DF. What I have? Angle A equal to D, angle B equal to E, and angle C equal to F. Okay, this thing I have. Now, angle A opposite side is BC, angle D opposite side is EF. We have to prove in there BC by EF ratio. Look, BC by EF ratio is equal to angle B and E opposite side AC and DF ratio. Now it is equal to the opposite side ratio AB and DE. Clear? So what I have to prove? I have a two triangle ABC and DF in which angle A equal to D, B equal to E, and C equal to F. We have to prove that if A and D equal, then their opposite side are BC and EF. The BC and EF ratio is equal to angle B and E opposite AC and DF ratio, and angle C and angle F opposite AB and D ratio. So we can say we have to prove that AB and D equal to BC by EF, AC by DF. All are equal. So if the triangles are equiangular, we have to prove that corresponding side ratio are equal. Clear? Now proving for this, we have to do some construction. So we have to take a point P on this and take a point Q on this. Why we take a point P and Q on D and DF? Let's suppose that AB length is less than DE and AC length less than DF. Because one triangle is smaller, another triangle is bigger. If the look are same, if the angle are same, they can be say similar triangles. Okay. So I have drawn one small triangle and one big triangles. So one small triangle and one big triangle, I just suppose AB smaller than DE. So what the length of AB? I have taken DP. What the length of AC? I have taken DQ. The AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ, the joint PQ. Okay. Now after that we can say, yeah, we can prove there. Okay, proving it is. What I will do now? If I take AB equal to DP, so I will do this equal to this and AC equal to DQ. So first I will make triangle ABC and DPQ congruent. AB equal to DP, angle A equal to D, and AC equal to DQ. Both triangles are congruent. If both triangles are congruent, we can say these angles are equal and that angle are also equal. Okay. Now we have this equal to this angle and angle DPQ equal to E. So these lines will parallel. So let me write first. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, what I have, AB equal to DP, okay, angle A equal to D, and AC equal to DQ. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Okay, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS similarity. If they are similar, है ना, then criteria are there. Angle B equal to DPQ, CPCT, and angle C equal to DQP, another CPCT. The student, I have B equal to E. I have B equal to E. It is given. So angle DPQ equal to angle E. If a student, angle DPQ and angle E equal, these are corresponding angle. These are corresponding angle. Clear? So if DPQ equal to angle E, so we could say lines are parallel. Okay? Lines are parallel. Look, if angle DPQ equal to angle E, so we could say corresponding angles are there, है ना? Then PQ parallel EF. Then PQ parallel EF. Now go in triangle DF. PQ parallel EF. So we can take BPT here. DP upon D equal to DQ upon DF. DP upon DE equal to DQ upon DF. In the place of DP we can write AB. So AB upon DE. In the place of DQ we can write AC. AC upon DF. Similarly, we could say AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. Clear, my dear? Now I am going to discuss you second criteria. Second criteria of similarity, it is SSS. Second criteria of similarity, it is SSS similarity. So what is the second case of similarity? Let me discuss SSS. The one triangle is ABC, another triangle is DF. Clear? DF. SSS similarity is a converse of angle similarity. In angle similarity, angles are given equal and corresponding side ratio we have to make it same. But here what is given? Here it is given the length of AB and D ratio equal to BC by EF ratio and AC by DF ratio. So to prove that angle B equal to E, angle C equal to F, and angle A equal to D. Okay. So there is also a construction. Let AB less than DE, AC less than DF, AC less than DF. Okay. Take points P and Q on D and DF. D and DF. The head is point P and edge is Q. Okay. If points P and Q are kept on D and DF, then the length of DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Join PQ. Look, these are equal. Okay. Now my dear, how could we prove it? I have in triangle ABC and DF The length of AB by D equal to BC AC by DF equal to BC by EF. I have, but I will goes to that ratio that is more applicable in this statement. That is AB by DE, that is AB by D ratio equal to AC by DF ratio, because construction is goes on D and DF. Okay, so in triangle ABC and DF, AB by DE equal to AC by DF. It is given. What I will do? In the place of AB we can write DP. So DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. Okay? Bracket you write construction. If it is going on, DP by DE equal to DQ by DF, then PQ parallel EF. This is the converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. This is the converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If PQ parallel EF, then these angles are equal. DPQ equal to angle E and DQP equal to angle F. Okay, these angles are equal. Now student, after that we have to make triangle DPQ and DF similar. Okay, Anna. Now I have in triangle DPQ and DF. Okay, now I have DPQ and DF. Angle DPQ equal to angle E and DQP equal to angle F. So triangle DPQ similar to triangle DF. If it is going on, then we can say DP by D ratio equal to PQ by EF ratio. In the place of DP, we can write AB. So AB by DE ratio equal to PQ by EF ratio. This is equation number 1. Now student, I have AB by DE equal to BC by EF. This is second one. I have AB by DE equal to BC by EF. So from equation 1 and 2, in equation 1 I have AB by D equal to PQ by EF, and equation 2 I have BC by EF. AB by D equal to BC by EF. So from 1 and 2 we could say the length of PQ by EF equal to BC by EF. So PQ equal to BC. Clear? So these sides are equal. So in the last way we can say, now in triangle ABC and DPQ, AB equal to DP, BC equal to DQ, and AC equal to BC equal to PQ and AC equal to DQ. So triangle ABC congruent on triangle DPQ by side congruency. Okay, after that we can collect the CPCT. Angle B equal to DPQ, angle B equal to DPQ, angle C equal to DQP. Angle B equal to DPQ, angle C equal to DQP, and I have angle B DPQ equal to angle E and DQP equal to angle F. So my dear, angle B equal to DPQ and DP equal to E, the B equal to E. Angle B equal to E, C equal to DQP, DQP equal to F. So C equal to F. Angle C equal to F. Okay, angle C equal to F. Similarly, angle A equal to D. So triangle ABC gets similar to triangle DEF. Thank you.